Seed stitch, also known as moss stitch. We start with making a slip knot and casting on 5 stitches. We're going to start with the knit stitch, knit 1, and then we're going to purl 1. So change the direction of the yarn and purl 1. And then we just keep alternating between knit and purl. So the next one, change the direction and knit 1. Knit, change the direction again and purl 1. Change the direction and knit. We have odd number of stitches, so we started with a knit and we ended with a knit. Make sure to count that you still have same number of stitches, in this case 5, and then you can kind of see the knits and the purls. So for seed stitch, you knit the purls and you purl the knits. So you can clearly see the little bumps designate the purls. So the first is a purl and we're going to knit it. So knit, and then we alternate. This was a knit, so we are going to purl it. Purl. Change the direction. That's a purl, so we're going to knit it. Knit. That's a knit, and we are going to purl it. Purl. And that's a purl, so we are going to knit. So you see what was knit on the opposite side is now a purl. And we are going to knit the purls and purl the knits. So you can see how it's kind of the opposite of the rib stitch. For rib, we knit the knits and we purl the purls. For seed stitch, we purl the knits and we knit the purls. So again, that's a purl, so we're going to knit it. The next one is a knit. We're going to purl. This is a purl. We're going to knit that stitch. And then we just keep alternating. And with every row, you will be able to see the pattern really showing up more and more. Here I'm knitting a little bit loose for demonstration purposes. But even now you can see the pattern. So those little bumps, those are the purls. And you see how they show in kind of a checkerboard pattern. So this is an example of this stitch in a bigger garment.